In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic messages on Instagram with ManyChat. We'll walk through the exact process of setting up an Instagram automation from scratch. So by the end, you'll have a simple flow that replies automatically when someone messages you with specific keywords. First, log into your ManyChat admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Automations and click on it. In the Automations area, move your attention to the top right corner and click on New Automation. A pop-up window will appear, showing you different templates based on the channels you've connected. If you want, you can filter and see only Instagram templates by clicking the Instagram tab at the top. For this tutorial though, we're going to build everything from scratch, so go ahead and click Start from Scratch in the top right. Then choose Start with a blank from the drop-down. This will open up the automation editor where you'll design the flow. The first thing you need is a trigger. Click on New Trigger. A pop-up will appear asking what should start the automation. For this example, choose the option User Sends a Message. This means your flow will start whenever someone messages your Instagram account in a way that matches what you define next. Now, a drawer will slide open on the left side, asking how you want to detect that message. You'll see options like detecting specific words in a message or recognizing the message intention using AI. For a simple setup, choose Detect Specific Words in a Message. Then type in the keywords your audience might use, such as info, guide, or price. These are the words that will trigger your automation. When you're done entering them, click Create. Next, you'll build your first response. Choose Instagram as the channel for this step. A drawer will slide open where you can compose your message. For example, you might write something like, "Hey, our first name. Thanks for reaching out. How can I help you today?" You can personalize it further if you'd like. If it makes sense for your business, you can also add buttons to guide people. Click Add Button, type a title like Pricing, then choose what happens when the button is pressed. Select Instagram as the action and click Done. You can add multiple buttons here, such as services, book a call, or chat with an agent, depending on what you offer. If you scroll down, you'll see options to add more content blocks to your message. You can include extra text, images, delays to pace the conversation, or even data collection blocks if you want to ask for information like email or preferences. Clicking More will show additional content types you can use to make the conversation richer and more interactive. Each button you added earlier will automatically create a new step in your flow, unless you chose an action like Open Website, which takes the user directly to a link. For every new step created by a button, click on that step and add the appropriate response. For example, if the button is Pricing, then in that step's message, enter the details of your pricing or a short explanation along with a link if needed. Repeat this for each button, tailoring the response to what the user expects when they click it. Once you've added all your messages, reviewed the keywords, and tested the flow visually inside the editor, you're ready to publish. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Set Live. This activates your automation, so anyone messaging your Instagram account with one of your chosen keywords will now receive your automatic replies.